This is the MXR EVH Flanger, and we're going to unbox it today. All right, so this is the EVH Flanger Eddie Van Halen edition of the popular flanger. I have been told that the regular one was tried by one of the folks at the store, the Long and McQuaid, where I bought this. And you know, the guy who was trying it out, he's a Eddie Van Halen maniac. He just loves the work of Eddie Van Halen and the sounds of Eddie Van Halen's equipment. So he tested this one. He said that to get the sound of the flanger that Van Halen used, which was an original gray one with the AC cord, they had to change the sound a bit, and that's why this one does sound a bit more like the old plug-in unit than does the gray unit that's not an Eddie Van Halen branded one. So let's just see how this thing opens and what you get with it. There it is right there. All right. So it looks like we're going to get, these are the rubber grips for the buttons, so you can use your feet to turn them, I presume. You get the flanger unit in a bag. Beautiful. Got the Eddie Van Halen striping on there. That's actually the striping he used before adding red to his guitar on the Frankenstein. All right, and then in the box, we've got a quick guide, warranty information. Oh, MXR sticker. All right. And so there is the packaging for the EVH and the EVH itself, flanger by MXR.